Good morning. My name is Lázaro Cárdenas and I'm an attorney with the law offices of Patel, Soltes, Cárdenas and Bost. One of the most frequent questions that I'm asked by clients is, can I contest a will? You know, somebody died, a will was left, and this person is not happy with that will. Well, let me go over 5 reasons why a will can be contested, and this will give you an idea whether you have a will contest or not. The first is whether the testator, at the time that the will was signed and executed with a notary and 2 witnesses, whether the testator was mentally competent. If the testator didn't understand what they were signing, if they're not competent to sign that document, then you could contest that will, provided you can prove that the testator mental capacity was not good. The second reason you can contest a will is for undue influence. And these cases come up when somebody's really ill and someone else is taking care of that person, and the will is drafted during that period of, most likely the last year or maybe even months or days of the person's life. Someone else can contest the will based on the fact that, maybe that person that was taking care of the ill person, the person that passed, the decedent, was exerting pressure or undue influence on the testator at the time they drafted the will. So that's the second reason. The third reason is not all laws were followed when the will was written. The will must be properly signed, it must be notarized, and 2 witnesses typically should be used in order to be self-proven. There's got to be also a self-proven affidavit. So if all those formalities weren't used, there's a likelihood that you'll be able to contest the will. The number 4 reason that you can contest the will is there's a more recent version of the will. The will that was put forth by some relative or some friend or whoever it is may not be the most recent version of the will, and you have a more recent version of the will for that decedent, or that a more recent will exists somewhere. Maybe an attorney has it, maybe it's in a safe deposit box. So that's another reason why you can contest the will. And finally, I touched on this before, but the will is incomplete. It's not, doesn't conform to all the standards. Maybe it's missing a page. Maybe it has missing signatures. So there's something physically and legally not complete with that will. So these are 5 top reasons that people contest wills, and I hope this was of help to you today. Thank you.